All right. So one of the requirements here is that low-level monsters are always hidden. So that takes a little bit of explanation because the way that the monster system worked in Heroes and Monsters Part 1 was that you created, I think, 6 monsters, objects, and they each had a X and a Y position instance variable, and you put them into the map, right, the object map. So they had like a set location. The hero walked around, and when he bumped into the monster, he interacted with him, and either the monster went away or the hero ran away. So this system is going to be a little bit more akin to what you find in like a regular RPG game, at least the ones that I've played. And that is that the low-level monsters are hidden and they're also random. All right. So if we have this as our map here, hero is here. He moves forward 1 spot, and there's like a 15 to 30% chance he will hit a monster, right? Just like a random range. And if that probability hits, then a monster object is created who has like, random stats. Well, not completely random, but has like a range, a random range of stats. And the hero interacts with the monster object. If the hero defeats the monster just goes away and you don't put him in the map. But if the hero decides to run away and successfully runs away, then the hero goes back to where he was, and the monster is sitting where the hero went to, the direction he went to, right? So the monster would be put into the map here. So so that's how it's going to go, right? The monsters are created based on a probability for each movement that the hero makes. And what does that allow? That allows there to be the element of grinding in a video game. And what is grinding? It means walking around randomly, trying to fight as many monsters as you can, so you can earn as much currency as possible, so that you can have enough to buy the weapon that's going to allow you to defeat the next boss, right? And then you defeat that next boss, and you need to start grinding again because you got to get enough to defeat the next boss or buy a satchel full of potions. So you got to go back to grinding. And so if we had a set number of monsters here and you defeated them all, then you wouldn't have the possibility of gaining more currency. So I guess that's why they set the RPG games up that way, right? So monsters are created based on a random probability, and they are always hidden unless you have interacted with them and run away.